Okay, where you at, Evan? Tell us which building. Tell us which building.
Oh shit! I see. Oh no!
Which one do you see?
Oh, no.
Which one do you see?
I see Arnold. I see Arnold. Ah! What the shit is that? No!
I'm a helicopter. Oh, he jumped out. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
A lobster chopper. Wait,
Turn him into an airmobile.
Yes.
Fucking us!
He's already like, you're already like an airmobile already. You're a fucking owl. I just realized that. But become a mechanical one.
I saw your shadow. Scared the shit out of me, man.
Fuck off!
Oh, hey, hey, little Arnold.
No!
It's time. It's time.
What? No, I'm not getting to the fucking
become
chopper.
the chopper.
Come to the chopper.
Tell you. Come on.
Become the chopper. He's got up. He's got up. He's on the building. He jumped down. He jumped down. He jumped down. He's running. He went back where you are. There he is.
Shut your mouth, Nova. Shut your mouth.
Where'd he go?
Okay. He's got it.
Shut up with your acting. I know you're acting.
He's there. He's up where you. I caught you,
man.
He's got to jump down. He's going up the ladder. He's going up the ladder. Go up the ladder. Go up the ladder. Oh, he jumped down like a bitch.
Where?
He jumped down like a bitch.
Get back here.
Just become a chopper, Brian. It's your calling.
No.
Turn around and become a chopper.
You little bitch. Where you going, huh? Where you going, huh?
The most epic elongated chess ever.
You have to finish this scene, Brian.
You gotta do it. Where is he?
Where'd he go?
Where
Did you go
He
down?
went all the way
You
down.
son of a bitch! Where you going?
He jumped all the
back
way
here.
down there.
Oh fuck! I don't know where he went.
He's stuck. He's trapped. He's in like the metal building. I can see him. Evan. If I could catch him, I would.
I don't see him. Ah, you son of a bitch! Yeah, I got him.
You got him. Yeah.
Hey, lobster! I got the lobster too, didn't I?
No, he didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, he didn't.
Oh shit! I thought I
No,
got
he
you
didn't.
through the thing.
No,
All
he
right.
didn't.
Real quick, why are your legs rotating above your head?
Because we're
He's the
helicopters.
chopper.
Okay, all right. No.
We couldn't afford a helicopter, so we
Still
needed a mod
confused.
for this scene.
Still confused, but I like it.
Where's the lobster?
Where could it
Yeah,
be?
you son of a bitch!
Dumb
What are
bitch.
you laughing at? Yeah! Yeah, we're gonna fly.
Okay, so we're looking for generic white man.
Hey, how dare you? Vanilla is the phrase I like.
Why is it
Where-
offensive?
No,
Where are you, Vanilla Man?
I'm gonna go
Listen,
high. I'm gonna be the
Vanilla
bird
Man
in the
has
sky.
no idea what you're talking about and is not hiding underneath something, clearly.
Okay.
I think
okay.
he's hiding underneath something.
I'm being sarcastic.
Wait, where is he?
Hey,
I'm right
okay,
here.
Oh, there he is! There he is! There's no time!
Oh, no! Get him.
Damn it!
You guys are unsettling.